evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, May the 4th and May the 5th. Yeah, tomorrow it will be Liberation Day on Sunday. In this puzzle page, I've already solved two puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, the Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and one of these binary puzzle. Well, let me do the binary puzzle with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? We'll see. All right. This will be number 8483. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. All right, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones, the 1, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. And now, between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O, double O. Here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O, double 1. Here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O, double O. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 4 ones, 4 O's, correction, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then, let me see. And no, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. And now, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Then here we have 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should, yeah, of course. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And a no between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So here also, I think we need to compare here. Oh, no. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Now we need to compare, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, in 5 minutes. Wow. This one is very quick to solve without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.